Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, Hidden Rees. In this video, we're going to be exploring some mind-blowing science facts that you may not have heard of before. From outer space to the inner workings of our own bodies, science is constantly uncovering fascinating new information about the world around us. So, without further ado, let's get started. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? The universe is a vast and complex place, containing countless stars and galaxies. In fact, there are estimated to be more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all of the beaches and deserts on Earth. Current estimates suggest that there are around 100 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy alone, and that there may be up to 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. This means that the total number of stars in the universe could be as high as 200 sextillion. For understanding, put 200 followed by 21 zeros, which is a mind-bogglingly large number. To put this into perspective, if every grain of sand on Earth represented a star, we would need around 10 times the amount of sand we currently have to match the estimated number of stars in the universe. Ant is the strongest animal in the world. In proportion to their size, ants are among the strongest animals in the world. They are capable of carrying objects that are many times their own body weight. The strength of an ant is largely due to its small size, which means that its muscles are relatively larger and more efficient than those of larger animals. Additionally, ants are able to use their jaws and legs to grip and carry objects, which allows them to carry loads that are much larger than their own body weight. Ants can carry objects that are up to 50 times their own body weight. This is due to their impressive strength to body weight ratio, which allows them to move heavy loads with ease. There are more bacteria cells in your body than human cells. Yes, it is true. The human body is host to a large and diverse population of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses, collectively known as the human microbiota. The human microbiota plays important roles in human health and is involved in many physiological processes such as digestion, immune function, and metabolism. While the exact number of bacterial cells in the human body is difficult to determine and can vary depending on the individual and the methods used to measure them, estimates suggest that the number of bacterial cells may be as much as 10 times greater than the number of human cells. In fact, the number of bacteria cells in your gut alone is estimated to be around 100 trillion. Which is the tallest mountain? All might say Mount Everest. But there is one mountain as 3 times taller than Mount Everest. But it's not located in Earth. The tallest mountain in the solar system is Olympus Mons, a shield volcano located on the planet Mars. Olympus Mons is over 21 kilometers tall, making it nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. The base of the volcano is approximately 600 kilometers in diameter, which is roughly equivalent to the size of the state of Arizona in the United States. The enormous size of Olympus Mons is due to the fact that it was formed by millions of years of volcanic activity on Mars, which is thought to have ceased around 2 million years ago. Water can cut the things. Water jets, also known as water cutters, use a highly pressurized stream of water to cut through materials like metal, stone, and even food. The high-pressure water stream used in water jets can cut through materials with incredible precision, leaving behind a smooth, clean cut. This is due to the fact that water jets can deliver pressures of up to 90,000 psi, allowing them to cut through even the thickest and hardest materials. The high-pressure water stream also allows for greater versatility in cutting shapes and designs, as water jets can cut through materials in any direction, including curved lines and intricate designs. Additionally, water jets do not produce heat, which can be an issue with traditional cutting methods that rely on heat. Water jets are also environmentally friendly, as they do not produce any hazardous waste or emit harmful gases. This makes them an ideal cutting method for industries that prioritize sustainability. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. The sunlight is nothing but photon. The photon travel in the speed 300,000 kilometers per second. Here's the math. We orbit the sun at a distance of about 150 million kilometers. Light moves at 300,000 kilometers per second. Divide these and you get 500 seconds, or 8 minutes and 20 seconds. If the sun suddenly disappeared from the universe, not that this could actually happen, don't panic. It would take a little more than 8 minutes before you realized it was time to put on a sweater in that chaos. Even more interesting is, the light we see from the sun today was created thousands of years ago in its core. The photon travel from core to sun surface takes up to 10,000 to 100,000 years. The reason behind this is, the sun has a radius of about 700,000 kilometers. If it is straight path, you could reasonably expect a gamma ray to get outside the sun about 2.3 seconds after it is created. But that doesn't happen. In the dense core of the sun, photons reflect off particles of plasma. It's like a house of mirrors, but the mirrors are tiny fractions of a millimeter apart, and, from the sun's center to its edge, is 2/3 million kilometers of mirrors. And, every time that photon gets reflected, it's as likely to go back inwards as it is to go outwards, this movement of proton called drunkard walk. It's little wonder that the average time to escape this maze is 20,000 years. Some photos will escape sooner, some will take much longer. For your understanding, the light we see from the sun today was created when the Neanderthals were roaming around in this world. Deepest part in the world. The deepest part of the ocean is called the Challenger Deep and is located in the Mariana Trench. It's over 36,000 feet deep. If we were to hypothetically place world tallest mountain Mount Everest at the bottom of Challenger Deep, it would be completely submerged and its peak would be around 6,000 feet below the surface of the water. The pressure at the bottom of Challenger Deep is over 8 tons per square inch. To provide a comparison, this is roughly equivalent to the weight of about 50 adult elephants resting on the area of a human head. It would create the same amount of pressure as the water at the bottom of Challenger Deep. How large our solar system? Our solar system is a vast expanse of space that includes the Sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects that are all held together by the Sun's gravity. The size of the solar system is typically measured in terms of its distance from the Sun to the farthest objects within it. The most distant object in our solar system that is currently known as a dwarf planet named Eris, which is located about 97 astronomical units, from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun, which is approximately 150 million kilometers. So, Eris is about 15.5 billion kilometers away from the Sun. Based on this measurement, the estimated size of our solar system is about 195 astronomical units or 29.3 billion kilometers in radius. In light year, it just 0.0031 light-years. After solar system we called as interstellar space. The only man-made object that has entered interstellar space is the Voyager 1 spacecraft, which was launched by NASA in 1977 as part of a mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Voyager 1 crossed the boundary known as the heliopause in August 2012, which marks the point where the solar wind from the Sun meets the interstellar medium of gases and cosmic rays from other stars. After crossing the heliopause, Voyager 1 officially entered interstellar space, becoming the first human-made object to do so. Since then, the spacecraft has continued to explore the interstellar medium and has sent back valuable data about the conditions and characteristics of this region beyond our solar system. The Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft each carry a golden record that contains sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. Was intended to serve as a message to any extraterrestrial intelligence that might encounter the spacecraft in the future. As part of this collection, there are greetings in 55 different languages, including several versions of hello, or its equivalent in each language. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you got some mind-blowing facts that new to you. If you want more videos like today's video, like this video. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting video.